Well, off in the background here, behind Eric's truck, I see Amchat and the kids from Capitan Elementary. We're going to welcome them back here. Hey guys, how are you?
Hey. Hey, let's get through here, and then everybody will come follow me. You guys can come on this way.
Yeah, come on in, come on in.
This is a pretty big class, and they've been off doing some work in the forest behind us, forest and grasslands. Hey guys, how are you?
Hey, life is good. Actually, let's let our teacher shine a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. What's your name?
Madison Romero.
Thanks so much, Miss Romero, for lending your class to us.
Oh, of course, they're awesome.
They are awesome. Well, what have you guys been learning about?
We have been learning about our forest, Lincoln National Forest. And I have two students here who would love to share with you what they've learned.
Wonderful. Were you guys talking about careers?
Yes, we learned about the fire prevention, fire suppression, and forest supervisor.
Nice. The forest supervisor, that's a very important role. Did you guys get a chance to play that?
Yes, we learned how the forest supervisor, forest fire prevention, and forest fire suppression did their jobs.
Very neat. You guys staying warm?
Yes.
Close to warm? We had a couple honest people who said, no, we're not very warm. I get it. I feel your pain. Well, so we've been talking to Tom Bird. Tom works a lot with the weather, and he does a lot of predicting. And we wanted to learn about how he predicts. And he has a lot of high-tech stuff, but he has some pretty cool low-tech ways.
Right.
Tom, if you have a ton of mist in the air right now, how do you figure out how much moisture is in the air?
Yeah, well, you know, we've got the remote automated stations that are permanently fixed in the forest all across the country. But if there's a fire somewhere that's not near there, we need to know what the weather is right where that fire is, because that's one of the critical drivers that makes a fire really get up and run fast, and it's dangerous. So we have, and Nick already told us about it when he was at his truck behind us, this kit called the Belt Weather Kit. And the reason why it's called that is because it's sitting right here on my belt, right? So it's portable. We can take it. All the firefighters walk around the woods with them while they're fighting the fire with this. Inside that Belt Weather Kit is this piece, this instrument right here. This is called a sling psychrometer. The reason why? You sling it, right? On it is two thermometers. One of them you see has a wick, the other one doesn't. So you take that wick and you wet it, all right? And then you put it in your hand. You saw how I spun it? I want one of you guys to spin it. Go ahead and just spin that. Now we don't have time to take an actual observation, but while it's spinning, that wick is evaporating, which cools that thermometer, okay? So thank you very much, you did great. So that cools the thermometer and gives us two different temperatures. We look at a chart, it tells us the relative humidity. If it's dry, that's not good for the fire. It means the fire will really be active.
Excellent. Well, you guys, thank you so much for lending your expertise and for hanging out with us today. We really appreciate it. Are you guys going to go somewhere warm?
We'll stay in the defensible space, though, right?
Good. Oh, you guys learned about defensible space. Wonderful. Okay, well, we're going to get to some more questions here, but you guys hang out and we'll see you in just a little bit, okay?